Welcome to Phonics Unit 31, Day 2. I'm going to begin by reading our poem, Fudge. I want you to listen for silent consonants as I read, remembering that consonants are all of the letters that are not vowels. Fudge. There is no doubt I knew it was wrong to eat up all that fudge. I'm here on a ledge by the big green hedge. I'm just too sleepy to budge. I'll start for home if you wake me up. Give me a little nudge. It just isn't good eating more than you should. Oh, I'm still too sleepy to budge. I hope you heard some words that had a silent consonant. I'm going to go through and highlight some that I saw. So the first one is fudge. When you say fudge, you don't say this D sound. It's not fudge, it's fudge. So I highlighted it for the silent D. There is no doubt. This word doubt has a silent B. I knew, silent K. It was wrong, silent W. To eat up all that fudge. I'm here on a ledge. Here's another silent D. By the big green hedge. I'm just too sleepy to budge. So all of these words, fudge, ledge, hedge, and budge, all have silent D consonants in them. I'll start for home if you wake me up. Give me a little nudge. Silent D. It just isn't good eating more than you should. I would highlight should because it has that silent L in it. Oh, I'm still too sleepy to budge. Great job. All right, let's get ready to sound out some of our spelling words and phonics words. Okay, here we go. Arms up. Let's get ready. All right, this word is night. Has a silent K at the beginning, and actually it kind of has a silent GH there too. Oops, drew on it. Let me erase that. Okay, let's go to the next word. Here we go. And limb. And this can be like a branch of a tree, or your arms or legs are also limbs. So it had a a silent B at the end. All right, next word. Right. So we have a silent W in right. We have a silent E, but E is not a consonant, it's a vowel. So we're not including it in this lesson. Here we go. O. Rhino. That H is silent in rhino, and rhino is short for rhinoceros. We just call it rhino. It's kind of a nickname. For your spelling practice today, I want you to write your spelling words like a pyramid. We've been doing this for a few weeks now. So you start with the first letter, then the next line has the first letter and the second letter, and so on until you finish the word, adding a letter each time. All right, have a great day learning, guys.